Okay, boys and girls, we are going to continue working on regrouping for addition. All right, here's our standard. It tells us to add. We also can subtract. We're not ready for that yet. Within 1,000, we can use our models like we've practiced or drawings, and we use the strategies based on place value. All right, so like the expanded form where we put it in hundreds, tens, and ones form. Or we can use the place value blocks like we started out using until we understood how to take the groups of 10 and make tens, move it over to the tens place. Once we understood all of that, then we could relate it to the written method and actually move on to the written method. And that's where we're working at now. All right, so we have learned how to do two-digit addition with regrouping in the written method, adding two numbers, and we're working on three numbers. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is check your work from yesterday. So you need your packet. All right, this packet, you need to get to your paper that we were on yesterday that starts out 25 plus 16. Should look like mine. Get ready to check your work. And make sure you guys can see it well. And move it a little bit closer so you guys can see. So let me scoot it down a little bit. Then I think you guys can see it. Alright, let's see how that looks. Yeah, I know you guys can see. Alright, put your finger on the first one and let's check your work. Alright, we always add starting in the ones column. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. That's 1 10 and 1 1. Now we add 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 more is 4. Your answer should be 41. Your second one, 29 plus 49. Start with your ones column. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 10, 8 ones. Now we add in the tens column. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 more is 7. You should have 78. Next one. 26 plus 15. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 10, 1 1. Now add. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 more makes 4. 41. Alright, the next one. 37 plus 15. 7 plus 5 is 12. That's 1 10, 2 ones. Add on the 10 side. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 more makes 5. 52. Alright, make sure you have that top row. I'm going to slide it up. Alright, middle row. 54 plus 39. 4 plus 9. 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. on the 10 side. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 more is 9. My answer is 93. 43 plus 38. Add my ones. 3 plus 8 is 11. That's 1 10 and 1 1 to make 11. Now on my tens. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 more makes 8. 81. 66 plus 16. Start with my 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now with my tens. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 82. $38 plus 26. 8 plus 6. 14. 1 10 and 4 ones. Add my tens. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 more is 6. 16 plus 18. 6 plus 8. 14. 1 10 and 4 ones. Now I add on the 10 side. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 more is 3. 34. $24 plus 59. 4 plus 9. 13. 1 10. 3 ones. Then add your tens. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 83. 32 plus 29. 2 plus 9. 11. 1 10, 1 1. Add your tens. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. That's 61. And then 38 plus 32. 8 plus 2 makes it 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 more is 7. 70. Alright, at the bottom, Mr. Matt has 18 students in his class. Miss Nelson has 17 students in her class. How many students do they have all together? What's our key word? All together means to do what? We're going to add. What numbers are we going to add? 18 for Mr. Matt and 17 for Mrs. Nelson. So let's add 8 plus 7. It's 15. 1 10 and 5 ones. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 more makes it 3. Your answer should have been 35. All right, now if you will turn the page, this page where you see even and odd, put a star on this page. We are going to use that page. Alright, the even and odd page we're going to use in another lesson. The rest of the pages, guys, that are in here are extras for you to practice if you're having trouble. So any of these other pages that are in here, you can do for practice. The one with the star, you need to leave it because we're going to use it for grades. Okay? But the rest of them you can do for practice. There's even one in here you can do it and then color. I said all that's for extra practice if you need it. But this one with even and odd, you need to save because we're going to use those problems at the bottom on one of our graded assignments, okay? All right. Now, you need your big math packet. So if you need to pause the video, you can pause it, get your big math packet. We're going back today to our lesson on adding three numbers. Let me see if you guys can see it. I need to move it up a little bit. Here, guys, it's page 299. 299. There we go. Hopefully that'll help a little bit with being able to see. Alright, so number 9, we have three numbers, 22 plus 27 plus 18. We're going to start in the ones. Alright, do you see two numbers that are easier to add together first? And I can make a group of 10 with which two numbers? 8 and 2. Alright, so it's hard for me to circle it. If you can circle it with your pencil without making a big mess, circle with yours. I'm just going to put a little line under mine to know I'm going to add those two first. So 8 and 2 are 10. And then I'm going to add it to 7. 10 plus 7 equals what, guys? 17. So 17 is 1 10 and 7 ones. Now, on this side, I have to add more than one time. I have 4 numbers on that side. So what's 1 plus 2? It's 3. And here I've got 1 plus 2 again. What is that? It's 3. Now I have to add again. What's 3 plus 3? 6. So our answer is 67. 67. All right, number 10. 26 plus 31 plus 19. All right, do we have a way of making a group of 10 or a closer way of getting to 10? All right, we can make a group of 10 here. What is it? 9 and 1. So I'm going to add 9 and 1 first. They make 10. Now 10 plus 6 more equals 16. So 16 is 1 10 and 6 ones. Now I have to add. Remember, I have 4 numbers on this side. So what's 1 plus 2? It makes 3. And here I have 3 plus 1. What does it make? 4. So what's 3 plus 4? 7. My answer is 76. Now let's do one more of those together, and then I'm going to let you practice them today. All right, we've got 24 plus 11 plus 53. We've got 4 plus 1 plus 3. All right, what could we add together to make it easier to add? Can we make a group of 10? No group of 10 this time. So what could we do? What if we add 1 and 3? What does that make? 4. Now we have a double stack. What's 4 plus 4? 8. Can we regroup? No, not this time. All right, now we've got 2 plus 1 plus 5. So we can add anything we want to together on this side. I'm just going to add these two together that are beside each other. 2 plus 1 is 3. What's 3 plus 5? 8. So my answer is 88. All right. Let's look at some word problems. You're going to finish the rest of these by yourself in just a little bit. Let's go on to number 17 together. Miss Carson is making food for a party. She makes 20 ham sandwiches, 34 turkey sandwiches, and 38 tuna salad sandwiches. How many sandwiches does she make for the party? All right, so what are we going to do? Add the number of sandwiches together. All right, so she has 20 ham, 34 turkey, and 38 tuna salad. All right, so I'm going to make it a column problem. So 20 plus 34 plus 38, and that's going to tell me how many all together. All right, now we have 0 here, so it's actually only adding 2 numbers. What's 8 plus 4? 12. 1 10 and 2 1s. 1 10 and 2 1s. Move it over where you guys can see my work over here on the side. There we go. All right. So 12 is 1 10 and 2 1s. Now we have 4 add-ins on this side. So let's add together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. What's 3 plus 6? 9. So how many sandwiches? 92 sandwiches. Miss Carson was busy making sandwiches. All right, I want you to try number 18 as well. I'm going to read it to you. Sophia had 44 marbles. She bought 24 more marbles. Then John gave her 35 marbles. How many marbles does Sophia have now? All right, so you're going to figure out problem 18 and then try to answer 12 through 16 today. So on your own, 12 through 16, we did number 17 together, you need to do number 18. And that is your practice for today. Also, make sure you're getting reflex time or something like reflex in to practice your fluency. All right, do your best work.